floods, droughts, once-in-a-century storms. And the frustrating part for me as a climatologist is that this could all have been avoided. Scientific consensus is clear. There is a way to reverse course, and that is
build more trains.
Hey, what do you consider fun?
I don't know. Just imagine you're Percy, okay? What would they like? Holy fuck, sorry, I asked.
I got it!
Do you?
Yeah, all I need is a screwdriver, a latex glove, and the demon core.
What?
Actually, forget the demon core. I just need to find Mr. Oppenheimer. See ya!
Wait, no, you get back here, you motherfucker!
Toby bubbled his boiler and pumped his pistons. He blew...
Touching grass is not enough. I need
Train.
Hey, I was invisible! Cool!
I don't feel so good.
Fuck! Oh!
Give a shit, dude. I don't give a shit, dude. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit, dude. Not even a little bit.
If you have something to say, then just spit it out already.
DSX. Equipment. Defect. Detector. Milepost 819.8. No defects. Speed 80. Total axles 4. End of transmission.
Cross that white oak mountain, watch old 97 roll.
Hey! This motherfucker got them big keys! I gotta get out of here!
Oh shit, man, the Daylight Express about to crash! The Daylight Express about to crash! Damn. What the hell? Jesus. Hey, look at that. I think some of the cars are still on the tracks. Fucking they allowed Express the rail, bro.
Change the world. My final message. Goodbye. Come on, kid, you asked me that already. Now quit wasting my time!
Hey! You can't talk to my son that way! Who do you think you are?
I'm Plankton, you old hag, and your son smells like boogers! Hey, you can't talk to my wife that way! What do you think this is? I think it's time for you to lose some weight, fatty, that's what it is!
Hey, you can't talk to my grandson like that. Someone ought to put you in a mental hospital.
Someone should put you in a box floating down the river, Grandma!
You're probably right.
I see you live with liberty for all. Yet still I know the truth will rise and fall. Yeah, that's just the way it goes. A word now to the wise. The world was made to change. Each day is a surprise. Searching for a hero to idolize, feeling the pain as innocence dies. I'm looking at life, my own eyes. I take my heart into battle, give that freedom belly rattle. Get my independent sign, declare it on the dotted line. Let Philadelphia freedom ring and patriotic voices sing. Red, white, blue, never give up. You represent America. Hoping and praying for a brighter day. I listen to my heart and I obey. How can I see it any other way? I'm looking at my life with my own eyes.
Hey yo, the pizza here!
Sugar! Oh! 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 My whistle burns!
Hey, wanna listen to some tunes?
A strawberry patch is a red caboose as seen from the rear. A glory hunter is a reckless type, a fast-driving engineer. Miles of rail straight and flat they call the old racetrack. If you want that throttle opened wide, it's time to wrap the stack.
I think we look hot. Totally hot.
Ugly bitches!
damn bow.
Nom nom nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom nom nom.
Anyone know what that is?
They call them chargers.
So that's a charger, huh?
I cannot believe my eyes. I cannot believe my eyes. I cannot believe my eyes.
Alarm critical, alarm critical, alarm NSMP 445.2. Track 2-1. Alarm detected. Contact wayside detected.
You look like a C449W. This better be something that's extremely nice because I need the confidence booster right now. You're banned out of the stream.
What would happen if every girl on Earth disappeared?
Shaboom me like a daisy, want me darling, I'm the only one that you love.